In this video, I will show how to get a collection of computer data and sizing converter tools. So visit this website waf.com. It's my own website. And here guys, you will see these all converter tools like bits to nibbles, bits to kilobytes, and you can check out this list. So there are a number of tools you can see here, and these all tools are completely free to use. Just click on it, enter your number of bits, and here submit, and here you will see the result. You can copy, just click on here. So thanks for watching guys. This is the informative video to know how to convert different type of data resize and data converter. If you like this video, so share, like and subscribe this channel.